Now, after understanding the characteristic features or characteristic properties of the compounds of the alkali metals, now let us move to the anomalous behavior of lithium. See, lithium being the first element of the group must be resembling, we think that it must be resembling with the rest of the elements of the group. But what we find is no, it is very different from the rest of the elements. Though it resembles in some respects, but in many respects it is different from the rest of the elements. Like, let us go first in this. Well, we must understand what exactly is the reason which makes lithium different from the rest of the elements. The main reason is its exceptionally small size, small atomic size and small ionic size. That makes it different from the rest of the elements. The second is its high charge density, due to which it is having high polarizing power. That is what has been written here. Now, as a result of these factors, the compounds of the lithiums are found to be having covalent characters. They are found to be less soluble or not soluble in water, more soluble in organic solvents. So that is how it starts being, what we find is its properties or its compounds properties are becoming different from the compounds of the rest of the group elements. Another important thing is that it shows what diagonal relationship with magnesium. Because we know diagonal relationship, so it resembles with magnesium in many properties, which is called diagonal relationship. So this is what we have, anomalous behavior of lithium.